You know, him being black got me in the door, got my attention. Him creating an excellent product got me to buy. And that's what we need to remember as entrepreneurs is, yeah, being black isn't enough. You got to have a good product. Because why should I accept mediocre or anything less than what I would pay anywhere else? So yeah, like I said, this was the bag. I stopped by Savoir Faire and the Black Nose Lab earlier today, and that's in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's ran by a brother named Chris Classic, and this is his brand. Like I said, look at all the packaging. It's dope. It's dope. And like you said, even though the stuff gets thrown away, it's all part of your branding, and it's so important for your brand, right? Those little things matter. So this was the box that one of them came in. I got a 50 ml, one of his fragrances. Look at that box, man. That's fly. That's fly right there. I got the 50 ml, so you open up the box, and look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Right? Look at that. It's like a postcard. It says, "Black is beautiful. Do not buy where you won't be hired." Right? This is how I like. If we're gonna talk about Black history, we're gonna talk about representing your culture and stuff like that, do it in your business. Do it in your business, right? Do it in your business and do it in the way that you want. Why? Because you're gonna attract the people who believe in the same things that you believe in and have the same values, and that's really what you want because you build community. But peep this. I got the Whiskey Rose. I got the Whiskey Rose. I wore this today. And I got compliments on it, man. Whew. This was good. Now, mind you, I went and smelled every single last one of his fragrances that he had. He had 12 on the table. Right? So let me put this back in the box. This is fire. Look at that. Look at that. So that's the first fragrance that I got. And I was like, there were like three different fragrances. There were like 5 that I looked at. And it came down to 3, but I wasn't finna spend, a whole bunch of money. I wasn't gonna buy all of them, but I was gonna buy the ones. I bought the top 3 that I liked. And here's the other ones that I got, right? These are 10 mLs. Let's see, like I said, they got it all wrapped in this beautiful packaging and stuff. I really appreciate the effort that was put into making this happen. So watch this. Savoir Faire. So y'all can see that. Fair. Let's see if the camera focus on that. Yeah, there we go. He's got the QR code on it, right? Got the technology going with it. Let's look. 10 mLs. Just look at the packaging, man. Look at the packaging. So thoughtful. And I can appreciate that, right? Because even in my own brand and in my own company, I'm starting to pay more attention to branding and that identity, right? It's things that you learn when you're in business, and when you start doing it, you just recognize the importance of it. So this is the one, Hella Flora, right? This one this is, the crazy part about his fragrances is that a lot of them they're unisex. And this one is more, I might still have the things. See, look at this, peek this. Even on the little tabs to smell the colognes. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on it real quick. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right? Let's see. I can still, Soul Cafe. It's crazy because fragrances, they do something different. Depending on how long they've been sitting, you get to smell the different notes. Yeah, the Hella Flora, that one is like roses. It's more on the feminine side, but I wanted to get it because I liked it, and then maybe also my wife will like it too. If she don't, I'ma still wear it. That Whiskey Rose. That Whiskey Rose does it for me. That's the one that I got the 50 mLs of. But yeah, this Hella Flora right here, look at that. Look at the stickers. Look at all that. I like that he put so much attention, you know what I mean? That he put so much attention and intention in his fragrances. Those kinds of things is what really attracted me and got my attention. This is the other one right here. This is the other one right here. This is Soul Cafe, right? Once again, I was so glad to participate and support a black business, but it wasn't so much about supporting a black business. It was about, look, I'm going to somebody that's passionate about this, and they're black. And they're black. So them being black got me in the door. Them creating a quality product and a quality experience, and then even the space, the Black Nose Lab is artfully and it's curated. It is curated. It is a curated space. Like, curated space. You know, him being black got me in the door, got my attention. Him creating an excellent product got me to buy. And that's what we need to remember as entrepreneurs is, yeah, being black isn't enough. You got to have a good product. Because why should I accept mediocre or anything less than what I would pay anywhere else? Oh yeah, this goes here. That's the fragrances I got. These are the fragrances that I got. But I also got one more thing. This is a shirt. Look at, like I said, look at the packaging, man. Look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. So this is the shirt. Once again, quality packaging. Quality packaging. This is the back of the shirt. My camera's losing focus on me. All right, this is the back of the shirt. Here's the front of the shirt. That's the front of the shirt. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. So yeah, glad, and it's a quality shirt. Like I said, it makes me think about things that I want to do with my brand and my stuff. In all honesty, I wear stuff that I like, I get stuff that I like, and go from there. But it was good. Let's get me back up here. It was good to have this entire experience, and I'm gonna be posting the video of my experience a little bit later. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all. So if you're in the Atlanta area, stop by the Black Nose Lab, Savoir Faire, and pick you up some smell good. Some smell good. Y'all take care.